Well, every handprint here tells a profound story of a child who was brave enough to come and talk to us and tell us their story. And some of the stories I'll lift up to you now. This here is a particularly interesting one where Cheyenne was one of our original handprints that had faded over time. And we've been here long enough now that unfortunately Cheyenne had to bring in her child to be interviewed here at Care House. So her child chose to put their handprint so that they could be here with mom at the Care House. We also have children who unfortunately have been victimized more than one time in their childhood, and you'll find more than one handprint of theirs. I can think of Raylyn here. She came back and she gave another handprint and crossed hers together. And we have Yamina here. She did it ×2. But I'll lift up our tiniest handprint. This little handprint here, she's our tiniest one, and she's a handprint of an infant that was here, and her family were here to be interviewed because they were victims of physical abuse from their parents. And as her older siblings, who were old enough to talk, were doing their handprints, they turned to the caregiver that had brought them and said, well, she was hurt too. And her handprint was put on the wall, and it reminds us all of those voices that aren't able to have that forensic interview here, that there are voices there that we still support and that we're here to advocate for them as well.
Your Giving Tuesday gift makes a real difference. Every dollar brings us closer to our $8,000 goal, ensuring Care House remains a safe haven for Rock County's most vulnerable. Join us in making a powerful impact this December 2nd.